Hello everyone, welcome to the Enabler's channel, and today in this short video I will show you how to enable apps button in Samsung Galaxy A32. So before starting video, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe button and start a video without wasting any time. So to enable apps button in Samsung Galaxy A32, first of all just tap on screen and hold for 2 seconds. After that just follow every step as I am showing in this video.